Hi guys, so today we're going to learn exactly how to work a Canon G7X Mark II. Okay, so first we're going to start with the outside. This is where you have the open and lock. Just slide it over and that pops open. This is where your SIM card goes right here. And your battery, you just have to push that over right there and that pops right out. Okay, when you push it down, just slide back over the lock and you're good to go. So if you're just now getting your camera, that's the first step of turning your camera on. Right here we have where you can use your tripod or your handheld one. At the top here we have the on and off button. We have the flash button, pops that up and you just push it down manually. We have shutter button. Just hold that down. Right here we have this little thing right here. We have the zoom. These are your settings. And these are also your control buttons. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the camera on. Okay. We have the photo button, no images. You can also use this to slide over for your settings and stuff in your photos. We have menu. This is where you'll find options for your camera. We have the trash button right here, just in case when you have photos, you could just easily hit right there. Like I said, this is a shutter button, so if we want to take a picture, we'll just hold that down. This is the zoom, like I said, right here. This is the zoom. And right here, we have different settings or scenes. M is for manual. Oh, here we go. We have TV. P for program, auto, well, hybrid auto. This is for scene. It's basically just choose which one you want. And it's also touchscreen, so you can do that too. These are different options under the scene. And you just choose one. This is the standard video. We have custom, manual, and aperture. And also right here, this is if you want the camera just a little bit brighter or a little bit darker. Here also the ring function, you can choose the picture style. I have it on auto, so you can choose standard, portrait, landscape, fine detail, neutral, faithful, monochrome, or you can use these as your custom settings. You can set these three exactly how you will want and choose these whenever you want to, and they'll already be ready for you. Right here we have info, so you just hit that down and we'll press down on that and that shows you all the info about what you're looking at. So the camera, picture, everything, the settings were set to. And if you want to just take that back off, you just hit that. When you hit up, you hit the upper one. These are the different options for you. Or if you just want to go back to the camera, you can either hit this or just hit this, and it'll just take you back. When you hit the up button, where's these, it'll let you choose the option between single shooting, high speed, or low speed continuous. So that's how that works. It does have the flip up camera, flip up part. So if you want to, you know, see yourself, you can flip that up. Or if you want to take a picture at a different angle, you also can do that too. Just close that back together. Go back to, okay, and this button right here automatically starts. Sorry about that. This button right here automatically starts the movie, or well, the recording. It automatically starts recording for you. So that's how you start recording automatically. This green light blinks when it's busy. These are your settings for your current photo or video. Right here. No flash, ND auto. All these things are just for this one settings that I'm looking at. That's the battery. And you also can choose your spot with your finger if you need to. We have this button. This changes how easy this moves. So I have it on smooth, but you can change it and put it on where it clicks. I'm not sure if you can really tell, but it clicks over instead of being smooth. But I keep it on smooth so I can easily turn it to my adjusting. But that is all for the basic usage of the Canon camera G7X Mark II, and also it has Wi-Fi, so you just hit this button. I'm on my phone. I'm recording the video with my phone, so it's not gonna show, but you would hit Wi-Fi on your actual phone, and the Wi-Fi for the camera should pop up. You just click it and download the app for Canon, and you'll be able to easily send over photos and videos from your camera directly to your phone. So, and when you're done using it, you just turn it back off. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe for me, and drop your comments, likes, and shares, and let me know if you guys have any ideas. So thank you for watching, guys,